If your Sony TV keeps turning off and on by itself, you're dealing with a very common issue known as power cycling or reboot looping. In this video, we'll go through the real reasons this happens and the proven solutions that actually work on Sony TV. Step 1. Power issues. The most common reason a Sony TV keeps restarting is an unstable power supply. If the power cable is loose, damaged, or plugged into a faulty outlet, the TV may lose power for a split second and reboot. Plug the TV directly into a wall outlet instead of a power strip or surge protector, as these can sometimes cause interruptions. Also, try a different wall socket to rule out outlet problems. Step 2. Timers and eco settings. In many cases, the TV is not malfunctioning at all. It's simply following built-in power-saving rules. Features like sleep timer, idle TV standby, or auto power off can turn the TV off when no activity is detected. If these settings are enabled, the TV may shut down automatically and appear to be restarting. Turning these options off ensures the TV stays on until you manually power it down. Step 3. Software bugs. Outdated or corrupted software is another major cause of Sony TVs rebooting repeatedly. Firmware bugs can create boot loops or random restarts, especially after an update or sudden power loss. Checking for the latest software update and installing it can resolve these issues. If the TV keeps restarting too quickly to access the menu, performing a full power reset by unplugging the TV for at least 1 minute can help clear temporary software glitches. Step 4. Overheating. Sony TVs are designed to shut down automatically if they get too hot. Poor ventilation, dust buildup, or placing the TV too close to walls can trap heat and trigger shutdowns. When the TV cools down, it may turn back on, creating an on-off loop. Make sure the vents are clean, airflow is clear, and the TV is not overheating. Step 5. Factory reset. If none of the basic fixes work, a factory reset may be necessary. This restores the TV to its original settings and removes corrupted data that can cause reboot loops. Keep in mind that this will erase installed apps and custom settings. If the TV still turns off and on after a factory reset, the issue is likely hardware-related rather than software-based. Step 6. Hardware failure. When a Sony TV continues to restart after all troubleshooting steps, the most likely cause is a faulty power board or internal component. This is more common in older TVs or units exposed to power surges. At this point, professional repair or Sony support is recommended, especially if the TV is still under warranty.